Hi, this is David Zimmerman, Principal of Delivery Innovation at Opkey. One of the key differentiators that Opkey brings to the market is our discovery capabilities. What Opkey is able to do through our AI agent is to go into your environment, understand everything that's been configured in Oracle Cloud. Out of our 9,000 plus test cases in our gold repository, we will map those test cases to your design and your system, ensuring you have comprehensive test coverage. This is a huge benefit because most customers really don't understand what full test coverage looks like. And so the moment you load in Opkey, you can have a comprehensive view of all the different testing you need to do against all the business processes in your system. The second piece of discovery is transaction mining. Transaction mining allows you to fill out your data sheets with the most relevant transactions that have been executed in your system. This speeds up the process to ensure you're testing real use cases in your business process and can iterate and apply different sets of data on top of that. After we connect Opkey to your Oracle environment, we can run a discovery snapshot of each application. Opkey presents mined configuration and transactions to show you what business processes are being executed in your system over a defined period of time. We can view a summary of when transactions occurred and understand the amount of coverage based on the configuration we mined from the system. Essentially, we are showing the most common business processes executed and the gap in test coverage based on what you've enabled in your environment. This informs the business on the most commonly used business processes when prioritizing testing and ensures comprehensive test coverage. In this example, we can see Opkey has discovered the payables configurations along with descriptive flex fields unique to your business. Beyond just the mined transactions, we can see suggested test cases that were not executed over the discovery snapshot timeframe. This is highlighting processes that you should test to achieve 100% test coverage across the entire payables application. This discovery process will be completed for each application in Oracle Cloud and allow you to increase speed to value when building test automation and achieving comprehensive test coverage. From here, you simply select to automate all mined and suggested test cases and package it into a test suite. Test discovery is a huge value add for your organization to give you full test coverage and speed up the time it takes to get to full automation. Reach out to our team so we can set up a live demonstration to show you how all the different capabilities in Testing Agent come together to best serve you and your organization.